Welcome to San Sebastián, a gem on the northern coast of Spain, nestled in the País Vasco. Known for its breathtaking beaches, vibrant culture, and world-renowned culinary scene, this city offers a unique blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. Today, we'll embark on a virtual drone journey through 10 must-see spots in San Sebastián, guiding you through its scenic landscapes and rich history. Our journey begins at La Concha Beach, the crown jewel of San Sebastián. This crescent-shaped bay is famous for its golden sands and calm waters, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a refreshing swim. La Concha is surrounded by the picturesque promenade lined with elegant railings and lampposts, offering an ideal spot to enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of the city. Next, we venture into the Old Town, known locally as Parte Vieja. This historic quarter is a maze of narrow streets filled with pintxo bars, where you can taste the finest Basque tapas. Don't miss the Plaza de la Constitución, a lively square that once hosted bullfights, as evidenced by the numbers on the balconies. Our next stop is the San Telmo Museum, housed in a 16th-century Dominican convent. This museum offers a deep dive into Basque culture, history, and art. Its diverse collections range from archaeological artifacts to contemporary art installations, making it a must-visit for culture enthusiasts. Ascending Mount Urgull, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of the city and the Bay of Biscay. This lush hill is dotted with historical fortifications and the iconic statue of Christ, which overlooks the city. It's a peaceful place to reflect and enjoy nature. Dive into the underwater world at the San Sebastián Aquarium, one of the oldest in Europe. Home to a stunning array of marine life, including sharks, rays, and colorful fish, the aquarium also features a 360-degree tunnel, allowing visitors to feel immersed in the ocean's depths. At the western tip of La Concha Bay lies Pene del Viento, a series of striking sculptures by Eduardo Chileta. These iron structures are set against the dramatic backdrop of the sea, creating a harmonious blend of art and nature. It's a place where you can feel the power of the ocean and the creativity of human expression. For those seeking adventure, Urgull Beach is the perfect spot. Known for its excellent surfing conditions, this beach attracts surfers from around the globe. Whether you're riding the waves or simply enjoying the energetic vibe, Urgull offers a dynamic contrast to the more tranquil La Concha. For a fun-filled experience, head to Parque de Atracciones Monte Higueldo. This vintage amusement park offers not only thrilling rides and attractions, but also spectacular views of San Sebastián. The nostalgic charm of the park, combined with the breathtaking scenery, makes it a delightful spot for visitors of all ages. Perched on a hill overlooking La Concha Bay, Miramar Palace is a former royal summer residence. Its English-style gardens and stunning views make it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Stroll through the lush grounds and imagine the opulence of royal life in the early 20th century. San Sebastián's unique blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and culinary excellence makes it a destination like no other. We hope this tour has inspired you to explore and discover all the wonders this city has to offer. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.